When it comes to cleaning glass and mirror surfaces, you have a couple of options here. You can make a special cleaner just for those surfaces, which we're gonna do here, or you can make the Vinegar all-purpose cleaner and use that not only to spray your countertops, but also glass and mirror surfaces. That's personally what I like to do. But if you're using the Castile soap all-purpose cleaner, or you just wanna make a dedicated glass and mirror cleaner, that's what we're gonna do in this lesson. So to make a cleaner like that, you're going to need three things. One is alcohol. I'm using rubbing alcohol, but you could also use vodka. Now, I am not disinfecting my glass and mirror surfaces, so I'm not concerned about how much alcohol there is in the vodka. So you could use, again, vodka or rubbing alcohol. We're gonna use vinegar and also top it off with water. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna use a funnel just because it makes pouring all these ingredients so much easier. So to start, I'm going to add half a cup of my alcohol. Again, I'm using rubbing alcohol, but you could use vodka or whatever alcohol you have. I mean, obviously not brandy or something like that. Okay, half a cup. Now I'm going to add my vinegar. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of vinegar. Just gonna kind of eyeball this, what 1/3 cup is. And finally, as you can see, I have lots of room in the 16-ounce spray bottle. I'm going to top it off with some water. Now I'm going to use distilled water just because I don't want any of the minerals that you'll find in tap water or, from the filtered water in your fridge to leave deposits on the glass and the mirror surfaces. But if you're not concerned about that, you don't have hard water, you can definitely use that water. So I'm going to top this bottle off with my distilled water. Fill it all the way up. Okay, here we go. So now I have my glass and mirror cleaner. I'm gonna put my top on here, give it a little bit of a shake. And I wanna make sure I label this as well so I know exactly what this is so that when it's sitting under my sink, I don't accidentally grab something else if I have multiple bottles under there. So I'm gonna label this and I can use this to clean all the glass and mirror surfaces in my home. I personally like to use this with a microfiber cloth. I just find that it's the best for making sure there's no streaks or anything like this. You could also use this on some stainless steel surfaces if you wanted to. You just always want to do a spot test first. I would hate for you to ever ruin any surface by just liberally spraying cleaner all over and then realizing maybe that cleaner didn't agree with that surface. So always do a little tiny spot test before you go liberally applying any kind of cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna go get cleaning.